Welcome to this tutorial on how to resize an image in Notion 2025. Notion is a powerful tool for note-taking and project management, and being able to resize images is an essential skill for creating visually appealing pages. To start, open your Notion page and click on the image you want to resize. This will open the image in edit mode, where you can make adjustments to its size and other properties. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the image and select Edit Image. This will open a menu with several options, including Resize. To resize the image, click on the Resize option and enter the desired width and height in pixels. You can also choose to maintain the aspect ratio, which ensures that the image is not distorted during resizing. Alternatively, you can also drag the corners of the image to resize it manually. This method gives you more control over the resizing process and allows you to see the changes in real time. Best practice is to resize images to the desired size before uploading them to Notion, as this helps to reduce file size and improve page loading times. However, if you need to resize an image that is already uploaded, Notion's built-in resizing tool makes it easy to do so. Another key concept to keep in mind is image compression. When resizing images, it is essential to balance file size with image quality. Notion allows you to adjust the compression level when resizing images, which helps to find the right balance between file size and image quality. In conclusion, resizing images in Notion 2025 is a straightforward process that can be done in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can resize images to the desired size and improve the overall visual appeal of your Notion pages. Remember to balance file size with image quality, and use the built-in resizing tool to make adjustments as needed. With practice, you will become proficient in resizing images in Notion and be able to create professional-looking pages with ease.